Today I'm going to go through with you a song called Jingle Bells. Okay, here we go. Let's get through the whole thing to start with. Okay, now let's break that down line by line. Okay, so we start with a B. So second string, no fingers, just an open string. So B, 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 B. One beat, two beats. Then the third bar we've got B, D, third fret on the second string, then G, third string open, then A, second fret on the third string, and then B, second string open. So that first line again, B, 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 G, A, B. Okay, now the second line. So that second line starts with a C. So that's your second string, first fret. C, 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 and then the second bar, C, B, B, and then we've got two Bs, quick, little quavers. And then in the third bar we have B, A, second string on the, second fret on the third string, and then a B, and an A, two beats, a minim there, and D, the third fret on the second string. So the second line again, C, 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 B, 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 A, B, A, D. And then the third line is just the same as the first one. So B, 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 D, third fret on the second string, G, open third string, then A, second fret on the third string, and then B. And then the last line, we start with C, so C, 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 C. In the second bar we have C, B, 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 and then up to a D, third fret on the second string, two Ds there, then C, first fret, then A, second fret on the third string, and then G, third string open for 4 counts, so that's a semi-breve there on the last note. Okay, so let's go through the whole thing again, one more time. Okay, great. All right, well I hope you have fun with that, and I look forward to seeing you next time.